Hello everybody, it's me Tian here. I hope everybody's doing well. Now, let's talk about the rugby. The Bulls are playing against the Sharks tomorrow at 6:15 South African time at Loftus Versfeld in the Vodacom United Rugby Championship semi-final. Now, as you can see, I'm wearing my Bulls jersey, so this video is going to be about me talking about the Bulls. Now, Jake White didn't only made one change in his team from last week, who faced Edinburgh, where the Bulls have beaten Edinburgh 42-33 at Loftus. Now, like I said, he only made one change, which is Johan Goosen replacing Stedman Gans, and Jake White chose put Johan Goosen in the starting team at fly off and moved Keegan Johannes to the bench. And Zach Berger is sitting on the bench as a scrum half, so he will be replacing Emrys Papier, which means that Keegan Johannes, who's also a scrum half but played fly off for the Bulls a couple of times, will be replacing Johan Goosen. Now, Johan Goosen is coming back from an injury. It's his first game back from his injury, and for me personally, putting him uh, right into the starting lineup against the Sharks in the URC semi-final and putting Keegan Johannes on the bench isn't right. For me personally, it isn't right because, like I said, um, Johan Goosen will be rusty because he just coming back from an injury, and Keegan Johannes has been playing good rugby for the Bulls at fly in the absence of Johan Goosen, but Jake White is a Springbok Rugby World Cup winner where he coached the Springboks and led them to win their second um, Rugby World Cup in 2007, which means he Jake White obviously knows what he's doing because he has that experience. But yeah. Now, interestingly enough, which I want to talk about is obviously Jan Hendrik Wessels is starting at loosehead for the Bulls. Johan Grobelaar at hooker and Wilco Louw starts at tight head prop, which is standard because they're best 1, 2, and 3 for the Bulls, and they're very deadly in the scrums. Now, they these three that I just mentioned, Jan Hendrik, Johan, and Wilco, is going to play against Oaks, Bongi, and Vincent Koch, um, starting for the Sharks, and they obviously want to prove a point for Rassie because compared to Oaks, Bongi, and Vincent Koch, uh, Jan Hendrik, Johan, and Volker is inexperienced comparing to Oaks, Bongi, and Vincent. Now, obviously, these three starting for the Bulls are scrumming against world class players, so they want to show Rassie that they have what it takes to play for the Springboks. And yeah, so it's going to be a lacquer test for these three because you can't ask for better to test yourself. You can't ask for better as a player for testing yourself against these three Sharks players who has 5 World Cups between the three of them. Now, yeah. Now last week, um, yeah. So that's all from my side. Now, Jan Hendrik Wessels starts at loosehead. Johan Grobelaar, hooker, and Wilco Louw tighthead. Um, Kobus Wiese and J. van Heerden is the starting lock pairing. Marcel Coetzee Ruan Nortje and Cameron Hanekom is the loose trio. Ruan Nortje obviously can cover lock and he's captaining the side. And Ambrose Papier at 9. Johan Goosen, like I said, is coming back in, starting at fly off. Sebastian de Klerk and Kainan Moody is the two wings. Obviously, Sebastian starting at the left wing and Kainan on the right. The two centre pairings who's been playing a lot for the Bulls this season is Harold Foster and David Krill. And Willie Leroux, aka Weerlig Willie, who I call him, no, I call Willie Weerlig Willie, starts at fullback, which makes sense. I mean, he was man of the match last week. He brings a ton of experience. I mean, started his career at the Cheetahs, then moved to the Sharks, then played overseas, then um, came back to play for the Bulls. And I think, as far if I'm correct, he so far he played 98 tests for the Springboks. If um, if he played more or less, please let me know in the comments. Um, yeah. So on the bench, Akker van der Merwe is Akker van der Merwe is the reserve. Sampiwe Matanzima and Mornay Smith is the reserve props. Janus Kirsten is the reserve. He can cover lock and flank. Last week he came on and Ruan Nortje moved to lock and Janus Kirsten um, covered flank. But like I said, he can play cover lock and flank. Um, then you have Marco van Staden, World Cup winner. He won the World Cup with the Springboks 2 years ago in the 2023 Rugby World Cup. Um, then you have, like I said, Zach Burger, the reserve scrum half, and Keegan Giannis, who most likely will replace Johan Goosen. Then you have Devin Williams on the bench, who can cover wing and fullback. So, yeah, um, nothing much else there. And interestingly enough, the on SA Rugby, the URC official RSR on Instagram posted that the playoffs probability, which uh, is Leinster, who is playing against Glasgow in the semi-final tomorrow at 4:45 South African Standard Time. Um, Leinster has a 70% chance of making it to the grand final, the Vodacom United Rugby Championship final, which means Glasgow Warriors only has 30% chance. But Glasgow is the defending champions, and you never know what might happen. Now, um, the way Glasgow played against Stormers last week gives them a pretty good chance of making it to the playoffs if they can keep up that brilliant style of play they did last week against the Stormers. But yeah, I'm backing Leinster, unfortunately, because the way they played this season, they played brilliantly in my opinion. Um, and obviously the Bulls are playing against the Sharks tomorrow. The Bulls has a 65% chance of making it to the finals, and the Sharks only has 35% chance. Now, on that post that the URC official RSR posted, they also said the gave the percentage of chance of these four teams: Leinster, Bulls, Sharks, and Glasgow Warriors, um, giving them how much percentage, what's the chance of them winning the final, and it said that um, Leinster has a 47% chance of winning the final, um, which they jumped from 70% of making it to the final to only 47%. Yeah, The Bulls only has a 25% chance of winning the final. The Sharks only has a 13% chance of winning the final. I mean, they first have to beat the Bulls to make it to the final. Same thing with the Bulls, they have to beat the Sharks in order to go to the final. And Glasgow Warriors has a 16% chance of winning the Vodacom United Rugby championship, like they did last year. But yes, and if Leinster beats Glasgow, the URC final will be held in Ireland. Doesn't matter whether the Bulls or the Sharks win the match, because Leinster is obviously first on the log, which means they have a home, quarter, semi, and final. Now, if Glasgow beats Leinster, they will travel to South Africa. Doesn't matter whether the Bulls or the Sharks win, because Glasgow is fourth on the log, um, and the Bulls are second, and the Sharks are third. So it doesn't matter whether the Bulls or Sharks beat each other. If Glasgow beat Leinster, they will be travelling to South Africa. Um, yeah, that's all from my side. Thank you everybody for watching my video. Um, Thank you guys for supporting me in my journey. And yeah, please leave your thoughts in the comments. And have a great day. And have a great day. This is Tian signing out.